Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man, and today we're going to take a look at the SureGrip RF Mini Spinner Knob. This spinner knob is going to enable us to program up to 6 secondary controls right onto the spinner knob. So while we're driving with our right hand to control the vehicle steering, our left hand we'll use for our accelerator and our brake. But being that we're going to continuously keep our hand on the wheel, we've actually added on to this different secondary controls that you may have the need to remove your hand from the steering and actually to control. An example of one of these functions is going to be the horn. Another one that we have here is going to be our left turn signals. So we can incorporate up to 6 functions such as horn, turn signals, dimmers, cruise control. Any of our secondary controls we can program onto this spinner knob. This example here is a Chrysler Pacifica. We've paired this with a set of SureGrip push right angle electronic controls that is going to be paired with the Mini. If you're looking to find out more on the SureGrip RF Mini, in the description I have a link to BLVD.com. You can locate a dealer near you that will be confirm your application and give you a price quote in a matter of minutes. Questions, comments, leave them below.